Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Remove the power button board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the power button board to the top cover. Lift the power button board off of the alignment pin and out from under the retention tab on the top cover. Replacement. Place the power button board under the retention tab and onto the alignment pin on the top cover. Replace the 2mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the power button board to the top cover. Apply pressure to the length of the power button board ribbon cable to adhere it to the top cover.